Okay, I wanted to show everyone a quick little tool I made to help lowering and raising the spare tire on these trucks. I took a carriage bolt, I'm not sure what size, I think it's a 9/16 carriage bolt, and I filed off the, or ground down the head to a square, as in the picture. And made it so it fit in the end of the jack handle, like that. Okay, and here's how it works. Open this. I already took the lock out. Put your jack handle in, get it engaged. Put the tool that I made in the drill. Okay, tighten it up. Now if you want to drop the tire, put it in reverse. Done. Okay, and then you can take it off. You want to bring it back up. Snug as can be. All done. I just thought people might want to make one of these and stick it in their car with their jack in case they ever have to use their jack. This tool can also be used with the piece of the jack handle that goes into the jack for raising and lower the jack.